What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, wait, let me adjust this shit. What the fuck? All right, there you go, much better. What's going on today? In today's video, we're going to talk about what we did in the market today and also yesterday. Yesterday, an insane, like boom, banger type shit. And you guys were like, trade recap. I've been super busy, so I was not able to do it yesterday, but don't worry, we'll do today. We took a scalp today. We'll go over that one. It was not like, look at the market, guys. Like, this was, the New York Open was right here, 9:30, like, and this was like all the way till 12. Like, there was just, we took a scalp that was like 40, 50 points, and likely the range was kind of big, so even catching like half of a 15-minute candle was like nice, but it wasn't really anything crazy. We'll go over it. First of all, I was bearish in general for this week. I think we're a good chance to hit the low of the previous week, which was here. Reason being, we look at the larger time frame, overall higher high, low, lower high, equal low, but lower high here, as price ended up closing right under the daily candle, the daily fair value gap. So again, in Q, yes, a little bit the same. So then yesterday, going into the day, I'm like, hey, I think we're going to be bearish. You guys remember on Monday, today is Wednesday, Monday we took the shorts. I had a trade recap for that, and now we had retested that same level when we look at it in Q yesterday, right? Test the halfway point of that daily fair value gap, clear rejection on the 50-minute, and then we jump over the 5-minute, and it was all she wrote, right? You had also the confluence. We had targeted daily fair value gap, and that sponsored this move right here on the 5-minute. And once this candle closed on this next 1-minute candle, I was able to get in with a stop loss here. You guys know and I looked for all the way to 450, guys. It's all traded live. You know, I'm not joking. I'm making these up. All traded live, posted live, shown profits live with the team. I said short and chill until 450. I'll show you guys the screenshot from the Discord. And on top of that, if you do want to join the Discord, link will be down below, man. Join. We're doing a free trial. Just join a free trial. Check us out. Short until 450 yesterday. These two people thought I was trolling. I was not trolling, man, and we kept going lower. If anything, just looked for even lower. But yeah, what did I look for there? The daily, guys, if price is, and I teach you guys this, if price is fractal, if price moves from daily down to the hourly, down to the 5-minute, if you're getting a daily fair value gap projection, which is sponsored by a move on the 5-minute fair value gap projection, what does that tell you guys? It's going to be stronger. It's going to be more powerful. That's how you find confluences. And you line it up. We had a small golden pocket that I looked for. The difference between me and you guys learn a confluence. You learn what a fair value gap is. Then you're just looking for a fair value gap. You learn what liquidity is. You're just looking to black and white, enter or not enter. You have to ask yourself this more important question. What is the larger time frame? And is that sponsoring move to the downside? Right? If it's so, then it's a higher probability setup, guys. All right? If you do want more an idea on how high probability setups work, if you go to any of my Instagram videos and just reply checklist, I will DM you kind of like a checklist of what I look for and what makes a high quality setup versus a low quality setup. So then we had this move down, and it was beautiful, and we held them. We got to 450, we took profits, and then the price came into the day. And if we look at the 4-hour, guys, what do we see? What do I tell you guys? Let's go to 4 hours here. Big day, the previous day, with this move up, and then big day, the move down. On the daily, it's even more kind of obvious. You see, if anything, there's 3 big days. If you look at Friday, so Friday, big directional day. Monday, big directional day. Tuesday, big directional day. What does that tell you usually? Usually it tells you that the following day, the 4th day, is extremely unlikely that you get another big moving day. So you have to go into that day not really looking for anything and just expecting some chop and focus on the scalps. That's when you size into a trade, when you have an idea on price have a continuation that day versus not. When price is not having continuation, you just look for the smaller scalps. That's when it's fine to scalp or not even take a trade at that. For example, here, like you see the larger time frame, the daily is not, this bounce up is not getting sponsored by anything. There's nothing on the larger time frame that really wants you to say, hey, this should bounce really strong. Now, there's a couple key points, like was this 4-hour equal lows that we targeted that could give you a nice bounce, but nothing really major. So more than likely, I'm expecting price to do this and then come down and do a little bit lower. We will have to see on that. But as you can see, price is just adjusting. It's just adjusting this big move and this down move, you have to understand price is not always gonna be mooning, right? So or tanking. It's not always gonna be one direction. So you do have to be careful and understand when to size in and size down. Today, I told everybody I'm looking for a scalp. You come into the 5 minutes New York Open, look at the 930. And if you're in the Discord, right, you have me telling you guys this, and it really helps a ton because I'm giving you the confluences, I'm giving you what you're looking for. I said, hey, unless we break out of this or cleanly break below this, there's not really a trade here. There's nothing in here to trade. Now, we found a little scalp that we took. There was a short right here. This was on a 1 minute short with about a 20-point stop, targeting this low right here. And I thought hopefully we would, if we break below this, we would have gotten like probably like a 200-point move to the downside, but we did not. We were able to catch this, and then runners get stopped at a green. And also, guys, if you follow me on TikTok or on Twitter, if you're not, you should. This was, we were right at the daily opening gap. So if you mark your daily opening gap, which is right here, that's where, sorry, not the daily, I'm sorry, the yearly, right? The yearly, guys. You guys are like, what the fuck you need the yearly for? 21.35, bounce, bounce. See what I'm saying? Here faked, this is a trap, a manipulation move, run back up. But that's what was price is happening. Like, I did not look for a home run today. I told you guys I was looking for a scalp. 60 points for me is a scalp. You follow some traders that you look out there and they're like, wow, like 60 points is like their full TP and maybe even less. Is it mirror that's the line back is like, bro, like chill. The line back is like needs to chill. Hold on. Is it mirror the line here? Let me put a grind. Yeah, I got the app. Look at that. I feel like the line in the back I just saw it. It's like, bro, like chill the fuck out, man. Chill the fuck out. Line in the back, chill out. But yeah, I knew going into today it's gonna be sideways days, and this is when you wanna be sized down, guys. There is studies that have shown most profitable traders understand when to size in and when to size down. So I stayed, I stayed sized down today. I said looking for a scalp. Right. Today we also have FOMC minutes. Usually doesn't do anything crazy for the markets. The minutes people get confused with the real FOMC, but regardless, I understood that the more price is going to adjust. Tomorrow the market is going to be closed because of Jimmy Carter. I think. Honestly, I don't even know what the fuck that was. I guess it's a president. I don't know. He passed away. R.I.P. Then Friday, hopefully, we should get a decent big move. And as I said, I'm still expecting lower. This could change depending on the price action works. Now, I've been staying away from Yes. Yes has been okay. Like yesterday gave like a really nice short idea too. There was a lot of SMTs yesterday with the bearish divergence playing out. So there was some ideas, but NQ has been really good since the beginning of the year, and I'm gonna be keep trading that, right? So for the beginning of the year, I'm already up well over 6 figures, and I hope to continue that. That has been due to my bearish bias the last few days. Now I do want to say, if you do want to go to my Twitter, guys, go to my Twitter, and I promise you it's going to be really, really helpful you do this. Go to my Twitter. I've been posting where price is going to go every single day. As you can see, this was my idea yesterday, under 372. Sorry, I posted yesterday for the day, under 372, take a short to 282, which played out, and even more. You can see I also showed ideas I'm sharing on Twitter. I'm posting them. Of course, it's not all my trades I take live with the team, but there's some really solid idea. And look at this. Like, you go down and look at it. A lot of great information, guys. Go give it a follow. I promise you, you'll not regret it. And as always, peace out.